Introducing a dream come true in sleep technology. The Serene Paradise 60 from Serene Evolution, with 60 soothing sounds designed to mask background noises, like noisy neighbors and snoring spouses. Simply leave the sounds on all night for undisturbed sleep. And wake up refreshed, with enough energy to make the important days count. You can even set a timer for 30, 60, or 120 minutes to mask private conversations at the office. Or get the sleep you deserve. It's time to take control of your sleep health with Serene Evolution. Because every great day starts with a good night's sleep.